Welcome to my channel. If you want to set up the Linksys RE1000 wireless range extender, just follow the simple process and set up the extender in the right manner. Turn on the Wi-Fi extender and plug it into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. Open a web browser and type extender.linksys.com inside the search bar and then press enter on your keyboard. Once the login process is completed, choose the router that you wish to extend on the next screen. Set up a new network name and security key for the new Wi-Fi extender network. Complete the configuration process by simply following the instructions given on the Linksys extender setup page. Once you've finished the configuration process, your next step should be power cycling your extender device. Once done, connect your devices to the extender Wi-Fi network and start enjoying seamless connectivity all over your home. And that's it, your Linksys RE1000 Wi-Fi extender is now ready to use. If this video helps you, then please like and subscribe to our channel. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.